In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom member sign-up and login forms in Wix with no code. This process is easier than you might think, and I'll guide you through it step by step to ensure you can set it up quickly and efficiently on your own Wix website. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Wix website editor. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and you'll find the Add button. The Add button is your go-to for a variety of features that you can implement on your site, enabling customization and richness to suit your needs. Click on this button to open up a world of possibilities for enhancing your web presence. Upon clicking, you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of items that you can add. Scroll through until you spot the member option. This section is crucial as it deals with features pertaining to users and how they interact with your site. Here, you will see the member list option, which is the bread and butter for managing those who sign up on your website. Adding this will allow you to keep track of new members with ease, providing a structured list that is manageable directly from your Wix dashboard. Along with the member list, you should see an option to add a login bar. This is a staple for any site offering memberships or user accounts. It's where your users will access their accounts, interact with your content uniquely, and personalize their experience on your site. Now, here's the exciting part. Wix offers a template for the login bar, making it a breeze to incorporate into your design. You can simply drag and drop this template onto your page wherever you deem it fitting. It's user-friendly, and it integrates seamlessly into the layout of your website. Once you've added the login bar, the next step involves customization. Wix provides an array of options to set the form exactly how you want it. You'll have the freedom to modify the look and feel, ensuring that it aligns perfectly with your site's theme. Changes can be as simple as adjusting colors to better match your branding, or as profound as altering the layout style to fit your website's user interaction goals. You'll adjust these settings directly within the Wix editor, where options are usually visibly self-explanatory, or have tooltips for further clarity. By following these straightforward steps, you'll have custom member sign-up and login forms set up on your Wix website in no time, without writing a single line of code. This not only improves functionality, but also enhances the user experience, making your website more engaging and professional. Thanks for tuning in, and happy website building.